Watch this video completely if you're planning to buy Oneplus Nord 4 because in this video I'll tell you about 3 serious problems that some users are facing on Oneplus Nord 4. I'll tell you the reasons why these problems are happening and what are the possible solutions for these issues. Many of the YouTubers are recommending Oneplus Nord 4 because of its Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, its LPDDR5X RAM, its big 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging, and its all new metal unibody design. But you will understand the truth after completely watching this video whether this phone is value for money or worth the hype. The first issue that I'm going to talk about is hanging issue, which is faced by many users of the 8GB RAM variant. As you can clearly see in this video, the phone is hanging and nothing is responsive. This issue might be happening because of some heavy duty app running in the background, which means there is no RAM available for the phone to function properly. And the only solution for this is using the volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone and then restart it normally. The second problem that I'm going to talk about is the green line issue that was faced by this user. According to this user here, his phone developed green line issue after installing a new software update. Even though this user tried factory resetting the phone, the issue did not go away because green line issue is a hardware problem that's happening because of the death of blue and red LEDs, and only green LEDs survive in a line form which shows as a line in the display. This can happen because of overheating or passage of overcurrent to the display LEDs, and this can be because of pressure or also because of fall damage. As you already know, Oneplus is giving a lifetime free display replacement for devices affected by green line issue, and so it is better to go to service center and get a free display replacement. The third problem that I'm going to talk about is auto reboot problem, where the phone is stuck in a boot loop with the logo coming again and again and the phone not starting up. This issue usually happens when a new software update is not installed properly, which makes the operating system to get corrupt and the phone is searching for a new operating system to load up, but it's not having anything. This can also happen because of a hardware issue related with the charging IC in the motherboard, which makes the phone to not take charge from the charger. The only solution is going to the service center and making them do a diagnosis of the phone and see and find out what is wrong. If you have anything else to add to what I have said, or if you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section and I will help you out as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.